little special Q50 right here. If you know my channel, pretty much started with the Q50. This is a 3.7 liter, but this is not mine. I totaled mine a long time ago. This is a friend of mine's. Check this out. So this one is special because of one reason. It is not an NA. Let's find out. Check that out. That's right. Here it is. A little special surprise. This is a supercharged 3.7 liter Q50. It's got a lot of mods done to it. I'm not gonna go through all of it, but it does have the VR30 transmission, which holds a little bit of better power compared to the old ones that came with the 3.7. But this thing pulls. Got a few mods, carbon fiber. Got some Walk Racing rays right here, T37. There it is. It's got some Michelin pilot sports, so hopefully it hooks. More carbon fiber in the back. And an exhaust. Let's go ahead and start it up. I got a little aftermarket steering wheel with the flat bottom. Always love the interior of this, the seat. One of the most comfortable. Low miles. Alright, let's go for a drive. This thing actually rips. Due to traffic, cannot open it up at all, so I'm gonna have to find some time to go to Mexico.